21 new cases of the COVID-19 recorded in Jamaica, one more death and a positivity rate of 3%. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is reporting that 21 new COVID cases were recorded over the 24-hour period up to Thursday afternoon. One COVID-19 death that occurred in September 2021 was also recorded on Thursday, bringing the overall coronavirus death toll in Jamaica to 2,858. A 48-year-old woman from Hanover is the latest recorded fatality. The separate death of one COVID-19 patient is under investigation by the health authorities. There were 107 recoveries on the day, bringing the total number to 79,975. The newly confirmed cases brought the total number of recorded cases on the island to 128,477. Of the newly confirmed cases, 11 are female, 9 are males, while the sex of one individual is under investigation. The ages of the new positive persons range from age 6 months to 82 years old. The case count was made up by St. Anne's, St. James, Hanover, St. Thomas, and Clarendon. There are 8 moderately ill patients, 5 severely ill patients, and 2 critically ill patients among the 256 active cases now under observation in Jamaica. A total of 58 COVID patients are now in the local hospital system. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.